Exercise 333 is asking about unusual IQs. It says, Wechsler IQ tests have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. Which is more unusual, an IQ of 115 or an IQ of 80? All right. So how can we compare two values in the question of which is more unusual? Okay. Well, one simple way is by using z-scores. A z-score is equal to the number of standard deviations we are from the mean. Number of standard deviations we are from the mean. Or another way to think of it is the distance from the mean expressed in standard deviations. Okay, so let's draw a number line, and in the middle we will put the mean, which is 100. Okay, and I'm going to just mark off some tick marks, and we will say these are 5-unit tick marks. So we got 105, 110, 115, 120, and over here 95, 90, 85, and 80. Okay, and so we are asking, so if 100 is the mean, and we've got a point at 115 and another point at 80, we're asking which one is more unusual. Essentially we're asking which one is further from the mean. And we can see that from this picture that this one is 15 units away and this one's 20 units away, and therefore this the 80 will be more unusual. But let's answer this with z-scores. Okay, so which point is more unusual? Okay, we can answer this by saying which one is farther from the mean. And we can answer this with a z-score. So to calculate a z-score, the formula for a z-score is z is equal to x, the data point, minus the mean, which is x bar, divided by the standard deviation s. So in our problem, it says we have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. So our x bar is equal to 100 and our s is equal to 15. So our first data point, let's say for IQ 115, our z is equal to 115, that's our current data point, minus the mean, x bar, 100, divided by the standard deviation of 15. 115 minus 100 is 15, divided by 15. I get a z-score of 1. This is positive 1. That is my z-score. For the IQ equal to 80, z is equal to 80 minus 100 over 15. I would get negative 20 divided by 15. And so I would write negative 20 divided by 15. And I would get negative 1.33. So my z-score is negative 1.33. So we can see that this one is farther from the mean. It's 1.33 standard deviations away from the mean in the negative direction. So the IQ of 80 is farther from the mean than the IQ of 115. Therefore, the IQ of 80 is more unusual than the IQ of 115.